Welcome everybody. Welcome to the 2025 Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. As you can see, there's a lot of people here and a lot of great looking bikes that they brought us with them. And I hope you guys come out with us next year because even though it's hot, you really have the passion for these motorcycles. It's fun. Right now, we're getting ready to eat because we're hungry, we're starving. We drove 16 kilometers from the first starting point all the way back to Century Park Hotel.
And this is actually my first time to join the DGR. And grabe, kakaiba kumpara sa mga ride na nakasanayan ko. Siyempre, using the Bristol Basilica 125. Ayun, yung tema ng ride na to medyo kakaiba para sa akin kasi first time ko sumali sa classic vintage concept na ride, yung team. And nakaka-amaze yung mga riders na pinagandaan yung outfit nila na ako kasi parang ito yung normal outfit ko daily eh.
We all know that this is a fundraising event, particularly for men's mental health and prostate cancer awareness. So today, aside from the Bristol Elite, I'm also with the Bristol Bobber Group. And I use the Bristol Basilica 125. I look forward to joining again next year. Thank you so much to the host and more power to events with good cause like this. Thank you very much.
Hindi ko alam na ganun pala ka-enjoyable. Akala ko forma-forma lang. But when you actually get to experience all the vintage and classic bikes, tapos lahat kayo naka-dapper na forma, iba pa rin talaga yung feel. And for today, I chose to use the Bristol's Basilica 125. Kasi alam po, hindi naman hatawan to. I really wanted to enjoy the company ng mga kasama nating mga rider at saka from Quezon City all the way to Manila. Swabing-swabe lang yung ride natin. At saka, alam mo ba, sobrang tipid ko sa gas. Barya lang yung pinanggas ko pero ngayon ang narating ng Basilica 125. So overall, it was a great experience. Nandito tayo ngayon sa after party. And congratulations sa organizers ng DGR. And again, thank you so much, Bristol, dahil sa isang napakagandang classic scooter na naman na inilabas under the Vespucci lineup. And siguro, sa next year again, kita-kita tayo dito.